Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today I would like to share something that I think is very important. How junk food affect our health, especially for kids and teenagers like us. This is a table of content. 1. Why I choose this topic. 2. What is junk food? 3. What it does to our body. 4. Two more concerns. 5. What we can do. And number 6. Final message. Why I chose this topic? I chose this topic because many of my friends eat chips, fried chicken, and sugar drinks every day, and I used to do the same. What is junk food? Junk food is a kind of food that tastes really good and is easy to find, but it's full of sugar, salt, and bad fat. This food don't help our body grow strong and stay healthy. What it does to our body. Eating too much junk food can cause serious problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. A study from the World Health Organization shows more young people are becoming overweight because of bad eating habits. Two more concerns. First, junk food can affect your brain. Eating lots of sugar makes you feel tired and make it hard to concentrate in school. Second, junk food can become a habit. You start eating it every day, and even if you are not hungry, you still want it. What we can do? We need to eat more fruit, vegetable, and meal made at home. Junk food is okay sometimes, but not every day. And this is the final mistake. Let's eat better and stay healthy. Thank you so much for attention. Are there any question? And if you don't know, I want to say something. This is my quote. I used to love junk food too, but swimming helped me feel better. And you want to try? This is my Facebook page below, and contact me if you want to swim.